The DEWINNER Electric Router is designed with a quick locking and depth adjustment system that allows for precise machining depth control. Its ergonomic design, featuring an aluminum body and rubber-coated surface, ensures a comfortable grip and easy handling during use. Equipped with a powerful all-copper motor, it offers variable speeds ranging from 13,000 to 33,000 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for tough carpentry tasks. This versatile tool is compatible with a variety of cutter sizes, including 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 6 mm, and 8 mm options, enhancing its multifunctionality. The package includes a comprehensive set of accessories such as guides, chucks, burrs, carbon brushes, a wrench, a lever, and a dust extractor, adding great value to your purchase. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists, the DEWINNER Electric Router is an excellent choice for woodworking projects due to its robust features and reliable performance.